welcome to Awake TV. So today, Sue is off, so I'm gonna talk with you guys for a lot shorter talk. So today, I want to talk about expectations. This topic is lately very hot topic. Not just me, but people around me, or in the society as a whole. We tend to hold our expectations because we are expecting certain outcome, and we are holding these expectations because in a way, unconsciously, subconsciously, we want to be in control emotionally and psychologically, and we are by doing that, we feel like we are more in a stable manner. But when it comes to manifestation and creation, having expectation limit us. It doesn't matter it's a positive expectation or negative expectations. When we frame it like this, let's say this is a frame of expectation, and then when we let them go, it's going to be like limitless, because universe, the quantum field, can work on it without any limitation by us setting this sorry, I got a text message from Sue. So by us setting this expectation, we are narrowing down how much universe can work on it. So, especially after we had the Mercury retrograde, my guide are saying, also I keep on getting synchronicity from tarot card reading from other people, that let go of expectation. I wasn't particularly looking for anything to watch, but I come across the signs. Remember, we talked about signs in our previous episode. So I personally getting those signs, right? And then my guys are also talking to me because I'm a clear audience. So they are talking about letting go of expectations, not just the good ones, but bad ones, which is quite eye-opening, because we can always, be aware of expecting something good, right? But we sometimes forget about we do have a negative expectations, and that is also limiting our manifestation ability. When we have a huge belief in, okay, this is how it's going to happen, usually it comes from fear, or it comes from past knowledge. It's always been that way, so this time it's going to be this way, that kind of erroneous belief. Because the law of the universe, nothing stayed the same. Everything changes sooner or later. So, but we tend to think, okay, this happened 5 times before, so it will happen again, the same result. Like my parents are saying, oh, it been like this, society's like this, it's not going to change, blah, blah. That's bullshit. Because when we have like new generations of the people and people with new frequency, there are new way of thinking, new perspective. Not every group of the people think in the same way. That's why it's very important for us to celebrate our difference, and also celebrate our commonality as a human beings on earth. We all want the same thing. We want happiness. We want abundance. We want peace. Not just us, but people around us, right? So that is super important. And we all love animals and natures, stuff like that. And then it's really nice for all of us to have harmonious, amazing society together as a whole. And we are heading toward that civilization, 5D. In order for us to get there, it always comes back to what my guide or Asta says. It's really important for us to go back within us. Instead of looking at outside what's going on, it's very difficult to completely shut off because, we have a curiosity, try to peek what's going on out there, right? But it's when we are trying to create something new, something more aligned with who we are as a creator, it's very important for us to spend more time within. That could be walking outside, listening music, dancing, doing your own creation. For some people it could be meditating, or some people who love to fix things, fixing cars and stuff, that's also meditative experience for them, right? So we can do stuff like that during especially challenging time. No matter what kind of challenge you are facing, when we are focusing on our internal, which is very stable, and when we are focusing on that and from place of peace, we will recreate and we can create something new and solid. Before I go, I want to add why all this crazy fact we can find all over the internet right now. Of course, some of them are disinformation, but when we look at energetic level, okay, right now all timelines are collapsing. So 3D timeline, 4D timeline, that's where we are at, and the 5D timelines. It's like all of them are like intercepting with each other everywhere. And then each dimension, so we have all these different split timelines, right? So they're all like this. And then we are eyewitnessing all intersected version of reality. That's why, some of us see our facts, and then some of us see something else, and then we get, wow, this is so confusing. You know what I'm saying? So in the energetic level, this is happening because creation is co-creation. So let's say 50% of us are wanting one reality, and the other 50 wants another reality, unconsciously or whatever, right? And then all this creation is intersecting like that, unless majority of us as a collective want to have particular reality like we decided to have in 2012 in December or 2021. Because each moment we're creating as a creator, so we are seeing a jumble right now. So in order for us to solidify the reality we would like to create, this is why our guide Ashtar, everybody's saying to go within instead of look outside, because it's going to get more confusing. I kept on getting the message from my guide that is how we create. Because outside is like Bashar says, all truth are truth. So when we seek our own truth on the internet, we can find it. And we all have a different truth. So it depends on what truth we hold. We can always find the answer on the internet, no matter what the truth is. That's what Bashar is saying, which is quite true, the stuff we are experiencing right now. So, and also that is confusing too, you know what I mean? So in order for us to have stability, inner stability and inner peace, it's very important for us to more than ever to focus on our inside and focus on our internal dialogue with our soul and with our spiritual team. Some people might be, into religions, which is fine. It doesn't matter what kind of tool you use to connect with the prime creator. You know what I'm saying? So whatever makes us feel like, wow, uplifting, that is a way to go. So that's the day I wanted to share with you guys. And Sue and I will go back to our regular conversation on next Friday. Thank you so much for watching. Please share, like, subscribe. And we see you next Friday.